Hello, we are doing partial products for multiplication 25 times 3. And you might be on the digital version like me or on the worksheet. Either way, the steps are going to be the same. If you're starting to get a hang of it, I encourage you to try a step, pause the video, give it a try, and then unpause and use it to check your work as you go. So the first step is to take that 25 and split it into expanded form. That 2 is really a 20. And the 5 is a 5. So that's 25 in expanded form. We put the 3 on the bottom in the red box. Now we're going to multiply one step at a time. So we'll do 20 times 3 and then 5 times 3. For 20 times 3, as always, you want to ignore the 0, multiply as if it's not there, and then at the end, you can put it back in. So instead of 20 times 3, you're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. And then you just stick the 0 back on to get 60. For our next one, we're doing blue times red, or 5 times 3, which is 15, and we'll put that in this box. Then you're just going to add them together. So start on the right. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 6 plus 1 is 7, for a total of 75.